I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something truly powerful, something that has healed thousands of lives around the world, and something that can heal you too. This ancient Hawaiian practice is called Ho'oponopono, a beautiful method of emotional cleansing, forgiveness, and inner peace. If you are dealing with emotional pain, anxiety, relationship issues, memories that hurt, guilt, fear, anger, financial blocks, or a feeling that something inside you needs healing, then please stay with me for next 20 minutes because today we will learn the real meaning of Ho'oponopono, how it works, how to use it, and at the end we will do a deep guided healing session together. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. What is Ho'oponopono? Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice of forgiveness and cleansing. The word Ho'oponopono means to make right, to correct, to restore balance. Hawaiians believe that all problems in life come from memories, emotions, or energy stored inside us. When these memories get stuck, relationships start hurting, money becomes blocked, health goes down, opportunities stop coming, and peace disappears. Ho'oponopono helps us clean these memories and dissolve the emotional blockages that holds us back. And the magic lies in these four simple statements. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These sentences appear simple, but they heal the deepest layer of the mind, the modern history. Ho'oponopono becomes famous because of Dr. Hugh Lin, a Hawaiian psychologist. He healed an entire ward of mentally ill criminals without meeting them personally. How? He did not treat the patients directly. He treated the memories inside himself that were connected to them. He said, we see the world through our memories. When the memory is healed inside me, the problem dissolves outside, and slowly the violent patients become calm. The dangerous ones healed. Many were released. The entire ward was shut down. How? By repeating, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Ho'oponopono is not about changing others, it is about cleaning your own energy. When you heal, everything around you changes. The science of Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono works on three psychological and spiritual principles. First one, memory cleansing. Our unconscious mind stores every emotion we ever felt. These memories repeat like old programs, creating similar situations again and again. Ho'oponopono cleans these old emotional loops. Second, responsibility equals to power. This method teaches I take 100% responsibility for my experiences. Not blame, not guilt, but responsibility, which gives us power to change. Third, frequency shift. Each phase has a vibration. I am sorry. It means we are accepting. Please forgive me. It means we are releasing. Thank you. It means we are showing gratitude. I love you. This sentence is the higher love frequency. This raises your emotional vibration and naturally attracts better experiences. When to use Ho'oponopono. You can use it when someone hurts you, you feel angry or anxious, you want to heal a relationship, you are stuck financially, your mind overthinks, You feel guilty from the past. You want to change a habit. You feel stuck or confused. You can also do it anytime, anywhere, and even while walking, cooking, or before sleeping. How to practice? Ho'oponopono has one simple rule. Choose any situation, bring it inside your awareness, and repeat the four statements. Say them slowly. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can say them out loud or silently. You can repeat them 108 times or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even an hour. The key is consistency. Now we are moving towards a Ho'oponopono session. Let's do a powerful 10 to 15 minutes healing session together. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Think of one thing you want to heal: a person, a memory, a hurt, a mistake, a fear, a relationship, a financial block, or your own inner pain. Be gentle. Do not force anything. Just let one memory come forward. Now let's start cleansing. Now, now, with your eyes closed, repeat after me slowly. Feel every word. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you repeat, imagine the memory become lighter, the pain softening, your heart opening. Imagine the light of healing moving through you, cleaning your unconscious, releasing old memories, making space for peace. If tears come, it's okay. If nothing happens, that's also okay. Every repetition cleans your energy, healing the inner child. Now imagine a small child inside you, your inner child. This child holds all your past memories, fears, and hurts. Talk to this child gently. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See your inner child relaxing, feeling safe, feeling loved. This is deep healing. Send healing to someone. You can even send the healing frequencies to someone else. Now think of a person you want to heal with, someone you have tension with, someone you miss, someone you want peace with. You do not need to talk to them directly. Just send the vibration. Repeat, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel the energy softening between you and them. Feel the forgiveness happening inside. Take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart and say, I choose peace. I choose healing. I choose love. Slowly open your eyes. Practical application in life. Use Ho'oponopono for relationships. Instead of arguing, say in your mind, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You will notice energies shift instantly. For money blocks, repeat the four sentences while imagining money flowing freely. For past guilt, this technique dissolves shame and self blame gently. Now we are moving towards final affirmations. Repeat these with me. I choose peace. I choose healing. I release all old memories that hurt me. I welcome love abundance, and clarity. I am free. I am healed. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for joining this Ho'oponopono healing session. If this touched your heart, if you felt calmer, if you felt even a little lighter, then please like, share, and subscribe and tell me in the comments what did you heal today. Remember, healing starts the moment you choose it. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you.